Are you on your way to Marriott's Beachplace Towers and you want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like? Well, we're going to take a look at ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we head inside here and take a look at our 2-bedroom villa at Marriott's Beachplace Towers, I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And if you don't even own timeshare, you do want to stick around. I do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's head inside here and take a look at this 2-bedroom villa at Marriott's Beachplace Towers, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. As we head inside the villa here, the first thing we're actually going to take a look at is the full kitchen. Granite countertops, lots of counter space, all your major appliances from the oven, range, microwave, dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator with lower freezer. This is actually just one kind of annoying thing, these freezers that are in the bottom of the refrigerator. There is also a number of small appliances, coffee maker, toaster, and a blender are also provided. Inside the cabinet, you're going to find a full set of glassware and dinnerware for 6 people. And in the drawers and cabinets down below, you're going to find silverware as well as pots and pans and some additional cooking items. Just off the kitchen here is also where you'll find a pretty small utility closet. It's where you're going to have the in-room laundry, stacked washer and dryer. Definitely a great thing to have. And if you're also looking for the iron and ironing board, it's in here too. Now moving into the dining room here, you do have a dining room table that seats 6 people. Just off from that is where you'll find the living room. A sofa there that does pull out into a queen size bed as well. A couple of chairs, some ottomans, some nice artwork on the walls, and a pretty good sized window here that looks out with a great view either to the ocean or Intracoastal waterway. And provided here is also a TV stand with a large flat screen television. Now, before we check out the master bedroom here, we're going to go in and take a look at the guest room, which is actually the studio side of this 2-bedroom lock-off villa at Marriott's Beachplace Towers. In here you just have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, some lamps, some exposed USB and power outlets, and in here as well, all in the same room, you do have a sofa, television with TV stand, and a small dining area for 2 people. Now before we check out the kitchenette and bathroom area here in this guest bedroom, let's step out onto the balcony and just take a quick look outside. Just 2 chairs and a small patio table, but you do have great views either out to the ocean and overlooking the pool or the Intracoastal waterway. Now let's head back inside. We're going to take a look at the kitchenette area here in this studio lock-off. It also has its very own coffee maker, toaster, microwave, and a small bar-sized refrigerator with freezer. Provided in here is also some additional dinnerware, glassware, and silverware. Now let's just take a quick look at the guest bathroom here. Just a single vanity, large mirror there, pretty bright bathroom here. Definitely lots of light in here. You do of course also have toilet and bathtub with a shower. Now let's step back over to the 1-bedroom side of the 2-bedroom lock-off. We're going to take a look at the master bedroom. In here you do have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, some very interesting artwork on the wall there that actually kind of lights up. There's actually a light switch beside the bed to turn that on and off. But you do have a good size master bedroom here. And it also does have a pretty good sized dresser there. Lots of storage in those drawers with a television up on top. Also in the bedroom here, you're going to find a small closet with some extra bedding. And it's also home to the in-room safe. Now checking out the master bathroom, you do out here have a small vanity, and across from that is a very large jetted tub. This is actually open to the whole bedroom area as well. Now that we've seen the inside of this 2-bedroom lock-off villa, let's head outside. We're going to take a look at the balcony on the 1-bedroom side. All right, I've now moved out here to the balcony of the 2-bedroom villa. This is actually the 1-bedroom side of the 2-bedroom villa. Since this is a lock-off, it does have a separate balcony for the 1-bedroom and the studio over there that we showed you just a bit ago. But yeah, not too bad of a balcony, a little small, only 2 chairs and a table. No electrical outlet, no fan, but nice views here. You do have views of the Intracoastal on the one that I'm standing on, and we actually checked into a ocean view and had to move, unfortunately, but it also has great views of the ocean. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And to see another video about Marriott Beachplace Towers, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell, and until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.